Welcome to C Sharp interview question and answer video series. In this video, I will be talking about the params keyword in C Sharp. In earlier videos, I tried to cover some simple concept in C Sharp like what is difference between is versus as, what is difference between string versus string builder. If you have not watched those videos, I will highly encourage you to do that. Talking about the params keyword. So question here is, what if we are not sure the number of parameters that will be passed to a function? How will you write a generic function like that? So answer is params keyword. In C Sharp, params work as an array of an object. Make a note that params must be the last parameter in a function. Flipping to Visual Studio. Suppose a scenario, I have one function, calculate, and this function is taking 3 parameters. You can use this button here to generate the method skeleton. Let me return type as int, and maybe I would say this is returning v1.v2.v3. What if you need a function which will be taking 4 parameters to calculate? You will have to write another function that will be the overload of this function. So you can see, it created another function, and here maybe you will be interested in writing the code which will be manipulating all these 4 variables. Now, what if I write a function which will be taking all the number of parameters that you pass from a function, basically an array of integer? I'll just make use of this existing function, and instead of using this 4 parameters, I will be using params int of array, say params, and I'll just use 0, and for each I will use for each over here, for each, for each tab, and int and params. So params is a keyword, params1, I'll just use result plus equal to item, and at the end I will be returning the result. So if I remove this function, so if I click on this and say F12, it is going to come here. So let's print it, cw12 cw tab, and let's print this as well. Let's run the UI. Here we go. We can see output as 69 and 114. As I said, params should be the last parameter. So let's try to add another parameter at the end. Say string, name something. Let's see what does compiler say. It says that params parameter must be the last parameter in a formal parameter list. So make a note that param should be the last parameter in a function.